because they are selling out quick.
Let's take a look what's happening weather-wise this morning. A little bit of frozen precipitation to our west is staying politely to our west. That's not good news for the triad, though. Some slick road conditions. This isn't going to add up to a big power outage type of icing event, but just enough to cause some slick bridges and overpasses and sidewalks around the triad. There's a little bit of rain showing up directly to our southwest. That's largely going to evaporate as it tries to move into the very dry air still in place over central North Carolina. But at least it's not as cold. 32 degrees right now in Smithfield. It's normally cold across most of central North Carolina. A lot of cloud cover out there. We're going to see very limited sunshine this morning with the clouds sticking around through the rest of the day, but very low rain chances for most of the daylight hours before that rain starts to move in late today and especially overnight. Right now, well, yeah, it's still chilly, but at least I don't have to show you a wind chill map, and at least these temperatures are close to what's typical for this time of year. 33 degrees in Raleigh, 32 in Durham, only 29 degrees in Garner. You're the cold spot around the triangle. Similar temperatures farther south. Most locations, though, around Cumberland County at or above freezing, including 33 in Fayetteville, and 35 is the warmest location on the map right now in Rayford. Our dog of the day does not seem impressed with this morning's warm-up. This is Minnie. Thank you to DJ for sharing Minnie's picture. Just snuggled in there against the human. Temperatures are going to warm up to the low 50s by early afternoon. This is a steep temperature climb today because the winds are going to turn straight out of the south. They're going to be gusty, so keep both hands on the wheel this afternoon. The southerly wind will also bring us some more moisture, so a gradual increase in rain chances, but really it's just going to be the wind that's going to be a bigger factor for any daylight dog walks today. Temperatures topping out in the upper 50s by early evening, and they're actually going to warm up even more as we head through tonight. Futurecast hour-by-hour temperatures, it's a complicated forecast for those temperatures because look at where we stand by noon. Low 40s farther into the Piedmont, close to 60 degrees already along the southern coastal plain. And that same contrast is going to be with us by late afternoon and early evening. We'll hit the upper 50s in the triangle, around 60 even into the low 60s in Fayetteville, the Sandhills, and the southern coastal plain, while you barely crack 50 degrees farther to the northwest of the triangle. So that's going to be a complicated forecast temperature-wise. And also we have to deal with that chance of a couple spotty showers here and there today, but those are going to be more missed than hit. The better chance is going to develop first this evening. That also is going to be hit or miss kind of stuff. Light precipitation with the heavier rain out to our west, getting closer to us just after midnight and moving in by this time tomorrow morning. We don't expect any widespread thunderstorms, maybe a rumble or two. We don't expect any severe weather threat, just some locally heavy rain, a few instances of gusty winds, and then the rain moves out by early afternoon with temperatures then dropping off. So this looks a little weird that the low temperature tomorrow is higher than the high temperatures, but that just means temperatures are going to go up overnight and then they go down during the day tomorrow. Mid-50s by early afternoon. We drop to around 50 by sunset, and then 40s for highs and 20s for lows Friday and over the weekend. That's below average, but we've dried out the weekend forecast, and any chance of a shower looks like it's going to hold off until Monday and Tuesday of next week, and there would be rain showers. Here's a question. Have you ever wondered how long a day is on the planet Saturn?
Scientists say they have the answer. It is 10 hours, 33 minutes, and 38 seconds. Researchers made the findings by studying wave patterns in Saturn's rings.
The patterns help scientists track Saturn's rotation and determining the length of a day on the ringed planet. And that's all data from the Cassini probe that actually crashed into Saturn last year. So they're still evaluating that data and coming up with more information, including the precise length of a day.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Science, guys.
I love space.
Awesome, me too.
Just nerds.
Yes, space is so cool. I think both of us really want to go there one day.
It'd be nice.
Yeah.
It's kind of expensive.
$9.5 million. That was the story yesterday. Yeah.